This plant has balls, hairy balls. And that's why it's called the hairy ball plant. But it also has a bunch of other names, including balloon milkweed, which is what's actually on the tag of this one. And this is a really cool plant that is in the milkweed family. Therefore, it is a very good host plant for a bunch of different butterflies, including the monarch butterfly. It goes to my face.
Are they fuzzy?
Will you stop looking at my balls? This is uncomfortable. Enough without you here.
Are they pokey? Can I touch it?
Okay, just touch them. Don't do that. You gotta... Never mind. Yes. I can't watch. Milkweeds are called milkweed because when you break the stems or the leaves, a white milky substance comes out. There's a drop of it on the side of the ball. I think Molly did it. Now, these milkweeds are not native to the U.S. These ones are actually from Africa, but they can grow quite nicely here, and they will still be a really good food source for the butterflies. Though, one thing to be mindful of is that these balls will swell up and eventually burst, which will send their fuzzy seed all over the place. So potentially, you could get seedlings popping up in your garden from year to year, even though this plant is not a perennial, except for in zones 9 and warmer. I would like to point out that the flowers are super cool. They start off closed up, and they look a lot like a Hoya bloom, which is really interesting, and they grow in clusters. There's a big one right behind me that has lots of flowers on it, and the flowers come first, and then the balls start to develop. In fact, you can see on some of the smaller balls, they start off looking very hairy until the balls swell to the size what you see at maturity and immaturity. And they are also split down the middle. They've got this interesting crease, which kind of makes it two halves of the same sack of seed. This entire video is because I saw hairy balls on a plant availability list and I ordered them. That's why we're doing this video. That's all.